If you are having trouble changing your age on Duolingo, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch your Duolingo app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Duolingo account, then tap onto your profile. So here's the thing, you cannot directly change your age on Duolingo. However, you can report this problem. For that, tap onto the gear icon. Scroll all the way below under support, you will see Help Center. Open it. It will lead you onto another direction. Here you have to scroll all the way below again, tap on Send Feedback. And at the section under Describe Your Issue, make sure that you type in your email address correctly. Once done, tap on Subject. Under Subject, you can type in Age, and under Description, simply type in that you would like to change your age because you have mistakenly typed something else instead of your correct age. Now, under Type of Issue, you can select anything, let's say Bug Report for now, and then tap on Submit at the below section. As soon as you submit it, it will take a couple business days, and then they will report you back via your email address, and that way you can easily fix your problem. So thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.